Here are 3 pros and 3 cons for offering custom work in your furniture refinishing business. Con number 1, it can burn you out creatively. If you're someone that really likes to use furniture refinishing as an opportunity to flex that creative muscle and really have that creative outlet for yourself, doing custom work and having to carry out other people's visions for their pieces might get you burnt out and feeling like a little bit like monotonous every single project. Pro number 1 is that it is consistent income. If you have people coming to you looking for refinishing services, you get to set the schedule, you get to set the cadence and how many pieces that you're gonna do each month, so you know that you have that guaranteed income there, versus if you're listing pieces for sale, they might not sell for a couple months or even longer sometimes. Con number 2 is it can take up a lot of time going back and forth and doing a lot more administrative work compared to just selling your own pieces that you're designing yourself. You're gonna go back and forth to talk about the design of the piece, to figure out drop-off dates and all those things, giving updates as you're going through the process. If you have to pivot at one point in the project, you're gonna have to go back and forth with the client. So there's just a lot of added time used up in that way. Pro number 2 is it can get you so much more organized because you're already pre-planning the design, you're having a vision before the piece even enters your workshop, and you know exactly what's gonna happen to it. So you can, source all the paint that you're gonna need, get any products, any hardware, and have it all ready to go once that piece hits your workshop, so you can get it done and get it back out. And so then you end up with a little bit more space in your workshop versus all the inventory that I know you have sitting that you'll get to one day, right? You'll get there. Yeah, I say that too. And con number 3, if you're newer in your refinishing journey, this might not necessarily be a con if you are well seasoned at the work and at the art, but your client is going to turn to you as the expert. They're going to assume that you know how to tackle unexpected things that come along, that you know what to do with the piece that they have, how to best treat the material that it's made of, and that you're gonna have a good flawless finish when you get that piece back to them. So if you're new and you're still learning and there's things that you maybe haven't perfected yet, consider that when you're considering whether or not to offer custom work. And pro number 3, it is a great opportunity to get to know the kind of people that are interested in refinished furniture in general, but your art and your business more specifically. You can get a great client profile, figure out your ideal avatar, and use that for your marketing strategies when you're trying to gain more followers or more people interested in your business. To deep dive on these and learn more pros and cons, go to the Busy Bee Refinishing podcast, episode number 8. It's linked to my bio, and we'll be deep diving in there. And follow for more.